Hello everyone, I am Manisha Pawar. Today I am going to discuss about the polymorphisms in a Java. In a Java, polymorphism is a concept which we can perform the single actions in a different way. Polymorphism is derived from the two Greek words like poly and morph. The word poly means many and the word morph means form. The polymorphism means the many forms. Let's we take the small example of polymorphism. The person they have the different characteristics. Man at the same time performs the like husband, father, brothers, and employee. The man possesses at the different situations in a different ways. The same phenomena of the polymorphisms in a programming. Let's we discuss about the polymorphic object. In a Java, an object have the which have the two or more is a test. In Java, all objects are based on the polymorphic because they pass the two or more is a test. It depends on their own types. Let's we discuss about the types of polymorphism. There are two types of polymorphism: runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. Let's we discuss about the compile time polymorphism. The compile time polymorphisms is executed at the compile time. The compile time polymorphism is also known as the static binding, and static binding means it's known as the late early bindings. Compile time polymorphism is achieved by using the method overloading and operator overloading. In Java, operator overloading does not support. Let's we discuss about the method overloading. When there are multiple functions with the same name but the different parameters, this is known as the method overloading. In method overloading, there is the same uh, there is the changes of the arguments and the changes of the parameters. Let's we discuss about the runtime polymorphism. The runtime polymorphism is executed at the runtime. The runtime polymorphism is also known as the dynamic binding. The dynamic binding means the late binding. The runtime polymorphism is achieved using the method overriding. Let's we discuss about the what is the method overriding. In Java, method overriding is the in the superclass if the superclass and the subclass both have the same methods, then the subclass override the methods of the superclass. This is the called as the method overriding. Let's we discuss about the operator overloading. Some operators in Java behaves differently in different ways. For example, the plus operators is perform the additions of two numbers and the in string performs the concatenations of the string. Also, the and or and not is performs the logical and bitwise. Let's we discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of the polymorphism. Advantages of polymorphism: it's programmers to reduce the rewriting of the codes. Same variables we can use the number of times. Let's disadvantages of the polymorphisms. It ends up the risings of the performance. Performance polymorphism reduce the readability of the codes. Programmers find the polymorphism to little bit challenging to implement. Thank you.